So hi guys, Assalamu alaikum, and my name is Fateh, and our today's topic is wireless technology. So wireless technology basically refers to the transfer of information or power between two or more points without the use of wires, cables, or other physical media. Here are some key aspects of wireless technology. So first of all, we are going to discuss the types of wireless technology, and these are Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular network like 3G, 4G, 5G, radio frequency, infrared uh, rays, satellite communication, microwave communication, etc. So application of wireless technology include mobile devices like smartphone, tablets, laptop, wireless local area network (LANs), wireless wide area network, Internet of Things, smart homes and cities, industrial automation, healthcare and medical devices, navigation and tracking system. Advantages of wireless technology: convenience and mobility, increase productivity, reduce cost, improve safety, enhance connectivity, faster data transfer rates, great flexibility. Challenges and limitation of wireless technology include security risk, interference and signal degradation, limited range and coverage, dependence on infrastructure, power consumption, health risk, compatibility and standardization issues. Future of wireless technology: 5G and 6G network, edge computing and AI, quantum computing and cryptography, Wi-Fi and visible light communication, wireless power transfer and charging, nanotechnology and terahertz frequencies, space-based wireless communication. Wireless technology has transformed the way we live, work, and communicate, and its continued evolution will shape the future of humanity. Here are some more detailed information about wireless technology. Wireless technology advantages: convenience and mobility, increased productivity, reduced cost, improved safety, enhanced connectivity, faster data transfer rates, great flexibility. Wireless technology challenges: security risk, interference and signal degradation, limited range and coverage, dependence on infrastructure, power consumption, health risk, compatibility and standardization issues. Future of wireless technology: 5G and 6G networks, edge computing and AI, quantum computing and cryptography, live and visible light communication, wireless power transfer and charging and nanotechnology and terahertz frequencies, space-based wireless communication. Wireless technology has revolutionized the way we communicate, access information, and control devices. Its continued evolution will shape the future of humanity, enabling new application services and innovation. Here are some points on importance of wireless technology. Convenience. Wireless technology provides convenience and mobility, enable users to access information and communicate from anywhere. Increased productivity. Wireless technology increases productivity by enabling users to work remotely and access information quickly. Improved safety. Wireless technology improves safety by enabling emergency services and remote monitoring. Enhanced connectivity. Wireless technology enhances connectivity, enable global communication and collaboration. And collaboration. Computer reduce cost by automating tasks, automating task and improving efficiency. Environmental friendly. Computer reduce per usage and promote digital documentation. Accessibility. Computer provide access to information and resource for people or people with disabilities, data analytics and visualization. Computer enable data analysis and visualization, informing decision making, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Computer enable AI and ML application driving innovation. These advantages highlight the benefit of computer in various aspects of our lives, from productivity and creativity to education and entertainment. Entertainment and layered computer provide access to games, music, and video streaming. scientific discovery, computer enables scientific simulation, modeling, and data analysis.